Welcome to 4518 Kedzie, North Kedzie, of course, and we're walking down the hallway from the elevator into apartment 2F. You'll see that it looks more like a small European hotel than an apartment building. As we walk into the apartment, the first door on the left, we're going to see the second bathroom. Again, a double vanity, jacuzzi tub. And just outside here, we have, to the left, a combination laundry room and storage. And before we turn the corner, we see the entry closet on the right, and this is the second bedroom. Truly king-size bed worthy. Nice Juliet balcony with a screen. Double closets that go the whole length of that wall. And we're going to go out to the main area now. On the left, we pass some storage. And here we have a quick overview. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Stainless steel fridge, stove, dishwasher and microwave. Miles of granite counter space, double sink. A nice breakfast bar for casual dining. And as you can see, a lot of cabinet space. Out here, you have lots of ways to arrange your living room, dining room. That's a decorative fireplace. Opening up at the end here, facing west, is your first of two balconies. Let's go into the principal suite. And here we have, again, a large space ready for your king-size bed. Double closets at the end. And just around the corner is the principal's bathroom. Here you have one of the larger jacuzzi tubs you've probably seen. It's always nice to have a window in a bathroom, I believe. And we have double vanity, and right next door, your private shower. Nice glass shower. So that's 4518 North Kedzie. We're about 2 blocks from the Kedzie Brown Line stop, so it's very convenient to get downtown. Lots of restaurants in the area, Starbucks next door. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show this personally, or visit the building website at 4518kedzie.com. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.